Hello, this video is part 2 of graphing absolute value functions. We will be using a different method of graphing than we used in part 1. So, the first step is to get the axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry is obtained by looking at the opposite of whatever is located there. In this case would be -2. This -2 would also be the first part, would be the x value of the vertex. Why is it the x value? Notice it's x equal to -2. The next value, the y, would be obtained by looking at whatever k is, which gives us -1. We will be graphing it. -2, -1 would be right here. So that's the vertex. We also need to determine which direction does this graph open. A is 3, which means our graph will be opening up. 3 is also used when graphing using this method. I will be writing this 3 and making it into a fraction. So 3/1. If it's already a fraction, you don't have to convert it into a fraction. The number at the top will let you how many you move up. The number at the bottom, how many you move to the right. Therefore, we will start by, from the vertex, move up 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 to the right. Up 3, 3, 1 to the right. Up 3, 1 to the right. Remember, the axis of symmetry is at -2. Therefore, all we have to do is reflect the point. So this point is 1 unit away from the axis of symmetry. Therefore, the other point needs to be also 1 unit away at the same height. So right here. So notice it's 1 unit away. Now the next point is 1, 2 units away. Therefore, we have to move 1, 2 units away to put the next point. And the next one is 3, so we move 1, 2, 3 right there. Those extra lines you don't need. Connect the points with the straight line, and that would be graphing the function. Let's repeat the process for the second function. We have that this number is the axis of symmetry, x equals the opposite, -3. Therefore, -3 is part of our vertex as well. The other number, we get it from this -2, which is the value of k. Let's graph that. -3, -2 would be right there. So that's our vertex. Now, if we look at this value, it's a negative. Therefore, our function will be opening downwards. Also, that is a -1/2. I will take the negative and put it next to the 1. Therefore, this means I move down 1, 2 to the right. And let's do that starting from our vertex. Move 1 down, 2 to the right. 1 down, 2 to the right. 1 down, 2 to the right. I will be using a different color to draw the axis of symmetry for our second function. So the axis of symmetry for the second function would be this purple line right there. So we have to reflect everything across that line. Similarly to how we did it on the other one, so this point is 2 units away from there. Therefore, we need to be moving 2 units away in the opposite direction to get the other point. Repeat the process for the other points, and we get, this is another one. This is another one that goes with that, and so on. Then connect the points to get the graph of our function.